Hello everyone, Johnny Thunder, EA&Weather here, with your day one outlook for fire weather and severe weather, with a critical fire weather area today that encompasses far northeastern Utah, northwestern and north central Colorado, most of Wyoming, western Nebraska, and southwestern South Dakota. Cities in the critical fire weather area today include Cheyenne, Wyoming, Casper, Wyoming, Laramie, Wyoming, Gillette, Wyoming, and Rock Springs, Wyoming. There's an elevated fire weather area today covering north central Arizona, the northern half of Arizona, I should say, northern half of Arizona, eastern Utah, parts of Wyoming, most of Colorado, most of Colorado, most of New Mexico, western Texas, western Oklahoma, the Oklahoma Panhandle, most of Kansas, northwestern Missouri, southwestern Iowa, most of Nebraska, and southern South Dakota. So in synopsis, upper-level erosion will continue across much of the U.S. today. However, some modest decrease in the amplitude of this feature can be expected. The strongest upper-level winds will remain across the northern tier states, with some extension into the central Rockies. A stout surface trough and cold front will begin to move south through the northern and central plains. So that's your day one fire weather outlook. Remain safe and vigilant in these areas today. If I were you, I would gather supplies immediately, such as food, water, clothing, toiletries, medical supplies, a flashlight, a cell phone chargers, extra batteries, and a battery-powered radio in the event that you need to evacuate on a moment's notice, because fire can start to spread quickly. Please avoid outdoor burning in these areas. Okay? Because one little spark it takes for a fire to start and spread quickly. Do not throw cigarettes on the ground. Even if they're not lit. Because one, that's littering. Two, all it takes is one little spark for a fire to start and spread quickly. And make sure your cigarette is fully out before you throw it away. So, now moving on to the severe weather portion of this outlook. Okay. Didn't mean to press that. So, now to the severe weather portion. We have a marginal risk for severe weather today that encompasses far southeastern Kentucky, eastern Tennessee, far northeastern Georgia, northern South Carolina, and southwestern North Carolina. Cities in today's marginal include Charlotte, North Carolina, Nashville, Tennessee, Columbia, South Carolina, Asheville, North Carolina, and Gastonia, North Carolina. Going to the tornado threat for today. There is no tornado threat for today. Going to the wind, there is no wind threat either. And now to the hail, there is a 5% chance of hail of 1 inch in diameter or larger today, covering far southeastern Kentucky, east central Tennessee, far northeastern Georgia, northern South Carolina, and southwestern North Carolina. The 5% hail risk area today includes Charlotte, North Carolina, Nashville, Tennessee, Columbia, South Carolina, Asheville, North Carolina, and Gastonia, North Carolina. In summary, isolated strong to severe thunderstorms may produce hail to near 1 inch diameter this afternoon and evening across southern Appalachian region. So that's your day one severe weather outlook. Stay safe in affected areas today, even though it's only marginal, because you know what the heck a marginal can pull off sometimes. Okay? So, by the way, this SPC outlook was released just around 1:30 a.m. Central Time, 1:30 a.m. Eastern Time. So the outlook will be updated around 9 o'clock this morning by the SPC, 9 o'clock a.m. Eastern Time, 8 o'clock a.m. Central. But I'm leaving at 8:15 a.m. Eastern Time for volunteering. Yeah, I'm leaving at 8:15 a.m. for volunteering. So I'm not going to be here after 8:15 Eastern Time. So yeah, I'm not gonna be here at after 8:15 Eastern Time, since I'll be volunteering this morning. So if the day one remains the same, then I'm just gonna leave it. All right, but if they want to get updated with if there's an upgrade or any expansions at all, I'm gonna share SPC Convective Outlook video, since I will not be here. But otherwise, if it remains the same, then I will not share SPC Convective Outlook video. But stay safe in the marginal today, and I will see you in the day 2 Outlook. Take care.